How convenient would it have been if you were able to carry your business anywhere you go? Yes. You can access TallyPrime reports in the browser from anywhere using any device such as laptop, smartphone, tablet, and so on, with a web browser and an active internet connection. You have complete control on who views the reports and which reports are available to a user. Further, your data will always be in your machine. Whenever a user views a report in a browser, only the data required for that report is fetched from your TallyPrime. So the data is always safe and secure, and you will have the control over your data. Let us show you how to access your Tally reports in browser. Step 1. You need to make sure the browser access for reports is enabled in the F11 Company feature menu. Step 2. You can then specify your Tally.net ID, which you can use to access the reports from the Tally website. For this purpose, you need an active Tally software service subscription. Step 3. Connect the company from the company menu. Step 4. In a web browser, open the Tally website, www.tallysolutions.com, and log in using the Tally.net ID and password. Step 5. Select the company, then select the report from the list shown once you log in to the Tally portal. The report with the latest data is fetched and displayed. You can drill down to the next levels of the report to get further details. You can change the period of the report as well. You can open a report and download it in PDF or Excel format. You can drill down up to the voucher level. You can also download invoices and vouchers. As you can access this website from anywhere and using any platform, you will be able to manage your business efficiently. With that, you will have a feeling of carrying your business anywhere you go. As mentioned earlier, you can access the report using any platform. Here is an example on how the report will appear in the mobile device. You only need to connect your company in TallyPrime, open the Tally website in your smartphone browser, log in using the user credentials, and select the company that is connected online and view the reports. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries or suggestions, please mention them in the comment section. Or you can contact us directly in our mail ID or WhatsApp number that we will provide in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos related to TallyPrime tutorials, walkthroughs and features, subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.